Okay, how to get into all your stuff. So we're going to sign in as Dara. And the first thing you do is you sign into your own email. That's our first. So make sure that you're putting it in exactly as you're supposed to, with the capital letters, if it asks for capital letters, and so forth. Make sure I did this correctly. There we go. So now I'm logged in as Dara. Because I'm logged in as Dara, I'll see all the emails that have been sent out. Now, I'm going to go to her Clever, and I'm going to go to her other things. So let me log out to mine. I'm going to log in now as Dara. There it is. And again, I got to put in her information. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now I'm on her Clever. Once you're on your own Clever, and there are everything that I've put on your site, there's Canvas. I'll click on Canvas. I got to log out of mine again. Sorry. So I'm going to log out of mine, and I'm going to log into hers. I think by now I'd have this memorized. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm on hers. I should be on her Canvas also. I hope I'm on her Canvas. Alrighty, so this should be, there he is, we're on Dara's, okay, and I'm going to go to her, this is her dashboard, this is her class. If she logs into her class, there's everything. Here is the schedule that I gave you. Don't know why it's not allowing you to see this. You should be able to get into all assignments. There's your module. There it is. Okay. The only thing I'm going to have to update is that last screen. But as you can see, here's your home. There's the assignment. You click on the assignment. Right here in modules, see where I clicked modules. Here are all the assignments, and if you click on each one, you should be able to view it. Here's the first one. Okay, I'll go back to modules. Here's Internet Safety. When I click on Internet Safety, it's going to open up another window. There we go. It tells you exactly what's supposed to be done. Go back to Canvas. Go to modules. And then here's the quiz. And the quiz opens up right here. You click on quiz, and you should be able to take your quiz. According to this, there's only been one attempt, or maybe it's the attempt now when I opened it. Again, I'll go back to modules, and you'll see all the assignments are here. All you have to do is go to modules. I will try to fix the schedule because it seems that it's not coming up, but modules should come up. As you can see, I did log in as another student. I did not log in as myself. This is Dara's account. So you can see that you have access to everything here. And all you have to do, again, you click on it. It'll tell you what it is you're supposed to do. You go to modules. And when you go to modules, you'll see all assignments here with direction. I hope this helps because I do see that quite a few of you are having difficulty finding your assignments. Again, you go home. And then you go to modules. Modules will have everything you need. If this is no help and you still can't get on, then you're going to need to contact Canvas itself through the help, because this is as far as I can go with actually helping you get online. I hope it's helpful.